बैक्टीरियल सेल बायोसेंसर विद रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स। रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स एक खास तरह की प्रोटीन्स होती हैं। दे रेगुलेट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ सर्टन प्रोटीन्स। These proteins could be a repressor protein or these proteins could be an activator protein. Repressor proteins वो होती हैं जो कि किसी भी प्रोटीन का एक्सप्रेशन कम करती हैं and they act as at RNA level. And the activator proteins are those proteins which activates or increase the level of expression and normally acts at DNA level. रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन की एक बहुत आला मिसाल मेटालो रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स हैं। ये प्रोटीन्स तमाम बैक्टीरियल सेल्स में प्रोड्यूस होती हैं एंड दे बेसिकली रेगुलेट द मेटल होम्योस्टेसिस एंड मेटल रेजिस्टेंस इन द बैक्टीरियल सेल्स। ये रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स यानी कि मेटालो रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स दो तरह की प्रोटीन्स के एक्सप्रेशन को रेगुलेट करती हैं। इनमें पहली प्रोटीन मेम्ब्रेन ट्रांसपोर्टर प्रोटीन का एक्सप्रेशन और दूसरी प्रोटीन मेटल ट्रैफिकिंग प्रोटीन्स का एक्सप्रेशन शामिल है। बुनियादी तौर पे इन मेटालोप्रोटीन का फंक्शन क्या होता है? ये मेटालोप्रोटीन डिफरेंट कॉन्फॉर्मेशन चेंज करके कुछ प्रोटीन्स का एक्सप्रेशन इंक्रीज करती हैं और कुछ प्रोटीन्स का एक्सप्रेशन डिक्रीज करती हैं। यानी कि ये प्रोटीन के एक्सप्रेशन को एक्टिवेट भी कर सकती हैं या इनहिबिट करती हैं। यानी कि ये मेटालोप्रोटीन आम रेगुलेटरी प्रोटीन्स की तरह फंक्शन करती हैं। But how do they do it? Basically, they bind with the promoter structure and they produce some changes in that promoter structure or that particular region. अब वो changes किस तरह की हो सकती हैं? इसके लिए मैं आपको एक मिसाल दूंगी। The copper ions are considered as a toxic ion in many bacteria. कुछ बैक्टीरियल स्ट्रेन्स में कॉपर आयन की डिटेक्शन के लिए बाकायदा एक सिस्टम मौजूद है। When these copper ions enter into a bacterial cell, there is a mechanism initiated with the help of a regulatory protein that prevent the bacteria from the toxicity of copper. When the copper ions enter into the cell, these ions basically combines with that regulatory proteins and that regulatory protein initiates the mechanism for the production of a protective proteins. Once that protective proteins is produced, it thus removes the copper ions from the bacterial cells. How does it work? Now we will see in this slide. You can see the copper binding proteins is present near the DNA molecule. Once these copper molecules enter into the bacterial cell, the protein binds with these copper atoms which are shown in red, and this protein when binds with the DNA, there is a change in the structure or the conformation of that DNA molecule which is clearly shown here, and this change initiates the transcription and the expression of iron protecting proteins. Once the iron protecting proteins is produced, it just removes the copper ion from the system or the bacterial cell. Now, I will give you another example. Salmonella has a particular gene for the detection of gold salts, and the system which this is known as gold sensor or Gall-S protein, and this protein can detect the gold salts in the environment. The expression is controlled by a regulatory protein that is known as Gall-S. The Salmonella employs a cytoplasmic protein for binding the gold that is known as Gall-B. So the gold binding protein is Gall-B and the sensor for the gold is Gold-S protein, and Gold-S protein is basically a promoter or a regulatory protein. And if we change or introduce a mutation in this Gall-S protein, then this protein can bind with other elements as well. For example, this is a cysteine-rich or sulfur-containing, high sulfur-containing protein, and at the position of 77, we can change the cysteine from serine. जब हम सिस्टीन को सीरीन में चेंज करते हैं, उसके नतीजे में डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड खत्म हो जाता है. Once this disulfide bond is removed, the DNA is capable of producing a protein which can identify mercury, lead, cadmium, and gold ions as well. You can see in this slide that from the Gol S protein, the cysteine is removed by introducing serine, and then this change helps the detection of different types of metal ions, including mercury, lead, copper, and cadmium. Now, the regulatory proteins are those proteins which regulate the expression of certain proteins. These proteins are tagged with the detection of analyte, and the expression of a regulatory protein is basically a signal for the detection of the target molecule. Bacteria में metalloproteins are the best example of regulatory proteins. A regulatory protein produced by Salmonella, that is Gol S, for the detection of gold is known as gold sensor, is regulated by a gold binding protein. And a mutation in this protein at position 77 could increase the impact or the efficiency of the biosensor, and that protein is cloned in E. coli. As a result, it can detect different metal ions including lead, mercury, cadmium, copper, and gold. So the regulatory protein could enhance the functionality of a cell biosensor.